Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we'll learn how to make anyone leave the game in Roblox. So if you want to make anyone leave your Roblox game that you made and are operating, all you need to do is head to the Roblox Studios, then go to My Game section and open up the game that you want to remove a player or any player from. So I'll just head into this game. Now we'll have to wait till the game loads. After the game loads, you have to head to the game settings. From here you have the other section. After going to the other section, there will be an option called shut down all servers. This button will shut down all currently running instances of your game. That means all currently running servers of my game will shut down if I click on this shutdown button. So if you just click on this shutdown button, anybody who is playing your game and who are trying to log in also will be kicked out and they cannot play your game anymore. So this is how you can make anyone leave the game in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.